is this?
That's him with the fat chest!
Don't worry about it.
You're putting the fate of humankind's last colony in a video game?
In a video
I'm
game?
just reusing the infrastructure. Environment management code. Relax. We're not gonna get kaiju popping up.
Still.
And hey, faster than building the code base from scratch, right? Come on. You can trust me. The work's done. We've done all we can for the human race's future.
Oh my god.
I'd rather spend it with you.
No!
You're right. I can explain it to Professor Shinonome.
What is this? That wasn't me, was it? But Okino and I were together. In love.
This is the best game of my entire life! He's a kid!
Hey, what did you just show me? Put it up again.
Show me the memory again! Show me the memory again! Show it to me again!
My final log. It was all logistical to
Oh my god!
Mark.
Oh no!